Hello and welcome to stockfundolivecalls.com. In this video, we will see how to create a simple profile, how to register to Stockfundo Live Calls, and how to change your password. So when you go to Stockfundo Live Calls, this is the home page that you see. Now there are various features on Stockfundo Live Calls. One is the technical updates, which is updated every morning. So you can see that every morning the overnight happenings, the technical analysis of yesterday, what is happening in Asian markets, what has happened in other markets. So all these things are captured in the daily morning technical update. This live calls tab will provide you the live calls as it happens in the market. So for example, to use this tab you need to do a simple registration. Once you register, basically you will be able to see the live calls as and when the trading happens in the market. So you have to go to this register link. Here you can choose a username. So for example, you can choose any username. So you can provide your name, you can provide your last name, the city that you are from, your mobile number, and your email address. So you have to give the correct email address because your password will come by the system at this email address, and your username is what you have selected for. So let's say you give a username which is the correct email address. You have to agree to the terms and services. You can click here and read the terms and services, and you have to type the same CAPTCHA image which is available here. So these numbers you have to type in this box, 226385. So each time these numbers will be different. So for example, when you are done with all this, you can submit, and your registration was successful. So basically now you can log in using the password that was mailed at your email address. Please also check your spam folder, but sometimes by mistake the email lands there. So once you get your password at the place that you have, at the email address that you have mentioned, you can just log in here. And once you log in, basically you can start using the site. Now in case if you find your password is difficult to remember, you can go to this members area, and here is a link to change the password. So for example, you can just go and change your password. So you can enter a new password, repeat the password, update password. So for example, that will be very simple. And once you are done, basically you can begin using the site. So site has key areas such as daily morning technical updates, live calls. The live calls are the intraday live calls available in market hours, so 9:20 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Throughout the day this page will auto refresh basically. So you can see all the live calls here. In case if you want to see basically how to use this website, so there are some FAQs available here. You can go through these FAQs. You can also send a question to us. Subscribe at stockfundolivecalls.com in case if you have some query. Now of course there is no payments. This is a absolutely free service. Here you can see the monthly results. So at the end of every month we will update the results here. Forums is a very exciting thing. So you can talk to other traders which are available here. You can ask some questions. So if you have support related questions, you can ask here. About Nifty and market directions you can ask here, and any stock specific calls you can ask here basically. And of course if you want to contact us, you want to write an email to us, you can always do that. Subscribe and stockfundolivecalls.com. So hope this video was useful, and all the best for your trading.